Welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. Today I'm sharing remote data entry and support roles that are paying up to $34 an hour with no degree required. If you're looking for work from home opportunities, make sure you stay until the end because you don't want to miss these job leads from Amazon, Staples, and many more. Our first role is a review assistant coming from Essentra Health. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will support prior authorization and clinical review processes. You will review patient records, perform data entry, prepare cases, process documentation. You will triage some calls, communicate with providers, and maintain HIPAA compliant records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, a minimum of 2 years in records management, and a minimum of 2 years in administrative support or customer service position in a healthcare environment. Again, this is 100% remote. For this role, the pay does start at $17 ending at $21, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a strong option for someone with healthcare, administrative records, or customer service experience who wants to transition into that remote healthcare operation role. Again, no degree is needed, and it's not a heavy phone role. So if you're interested in the review assistant, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Staples as a onboarding specialist. This is a full-time remote role. The pay range starts at $19 and then at $23, which all depends on your location and experience. So what you will do in this role, you will set up customer accounts, process onboarding and vendor paperwork, as well as verify customer information, update account data in the internal systems. You will answer onboarding questions as well as troubleshoot accounts and track setup deadlines. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 years in customer service, administration, account setup, billing, sales support, or operations, and you must have those basic Excel skills. So for this role, it is a great remote opportunity for someone with customer service or administrative experience who enjoys data entry and working behind the scenes. So if you're interested with the onboarding specialist position with Staples, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Stride as a cash applications and collections administrator. This is a full-time remote position nationwide. So what you will do in this role, you will process cash receipts and payments. You will prepare journal entries, reconcile accounts. You will also resolve payment discrepancies as well as manage report and billing questions. You will also assist with collections and month-end close as well as identify process improvements. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 3 to 4 years of cash receipts or accounting experience, and they would like to see experience with Excel. For this role, the pay does start at $20 ending at $32, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for an experienced accounting or cash application professional looking for fully remote. So if you're interested in the cash applications and collection administrator, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from American Red Cross as a data support specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will handle data entry and database maintenance. You will update customer information, process requests. You will schedule appointments, prepare reports, as well as provide email, text, web support. You will also assist customers across multiple channels. This is a full-time work-from-home role, and the hours are 11:45 a.m. to 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday through Thursday, or Tuesday through Saturday. Training will be Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for approximately 3 months. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 year of related customer service experience or administrative experience, strong computer skills and multitasking skills, and again, no degree is required. The salary range is $18 ending at $19, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great option for someone with customer service and data entry skills looking for a fully remote healthcare support role with strong benefits with a strong company. So if you're interested in the data support with American Red Cross, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Clear Result as a remote processing specialist. This is a full-time remote role within 22 locations. So if you're within those 22 locations and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. So what you will do in this role, you will process and validate energy rebate requests. You will perform data entry, maintain high accuracy, meet productivity goals, and follow standard procedures and support process improvements. For this role, you must have data entry experience as a plus, but it is not required. Strong organization and computer skills, as well as strong Microsoft Office skills, and the flexibility to meet strict productivity and accuracy targets are important. So for this role, they do provide the laptop software and all necessary equipment. Also, for this role, the pay is $16 an hour, but the good part is they give you a $65 a month internet stipend each month. Also, with this role, again, it is a beginner's role, so data entry skills are not required. So this is a great option for someone looking for that entry-level remote processing role where the company provides the equipment and also a stipend. So if you're interested in the remote processing specialist with Clear Result, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Amazon as a customer service specialist with healthcare billing revenue cycle management department. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The deadline for this application is August the 15th, so if you are interested, make sure you get those applications in as soon as possible. So what you will do in this role, you will handle patient calls about billing, insurance claims, payments, and medical records. You will research billing issues, explain EOBs, process payments, assist with payment plans, resolve discrepancies, as well as document interactions and coordinate with insurance teams and providers. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 years of healthcare call center customer service experience and 1 year of medical billing, insurance claim, or revenue cycle experience. You must also have experience with Microsoft Office, EHR, or CRM systems that is required. For this role, the pay starts at $20 an hour, ending at $22, which all depends on your location and your experience. So this is a strong opportunity for experienced healthcare customer service or medical billing professionals looking for a remote healthcare with a major employer with benefits. So if you're interested in the customer service specialist with Amazon, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.